Thank y'all. Next to work should be draw number 80. This is Danicka Marshall, St. George, Utah. Owns and rides. Actually, Rhonda Goddard is the owner. St. George, Utah. Ain't seen mayhem yet. A 2020 sorrel mare bred by Helen Ryan of Tonopah, Arizona. 17-5-27 round 1. Ain't seen nothing yet, the sire. To turn and burn the down was by Silver Creek Special. Windy Platts be ready on deck. A 16-922-16-922. That's draw number 80. Danicka Marshall. Going to Scottsdale, Arizona. Riley's mom. Windy Platts. Owner rider of Better Watch This, Guys.